Don't forget that the Dooney Secret coaching website, the live link is below in the description here. And if you want to earn more money, if you want to book more shows, if you want to do a better job for the groups that you're working for, in other words, if you want more success at being a professional fun guy, fun girl, joy bringer, then Dooney will help you. One-on-one coaching starts at $300 and it's worth every cent. And not only that, but it's a money-back guarantee. Hope to see you there. All right. Wait a minute. Here it is. Now, this is my airplane. This is definitely, I think it was in my 4th book, okay? I used to do balloons in restaurants 5 nights a week. I did about 1,500 balloons. I specialized in one balloon animals. So I make a lot of really small, complicated things. So we're going to think small on this one. Okay, this is a pop tie. 5 balls in a row. Whoops, that was a pop tie. Okay. This is the front of the balloon, where the propeller is. The front of the plane, where the propeller is. 1 wing, 5 balls in a row. That's going to enable me to pop the middle one. A 2nd wing. Now you can make any airplane you want. I don't care. There are simpler airplanes. I'm just going to show you this one. So this is basically the horselets. Make an ear tie and divide it in half. Just like that. Make another ear tie at the end of the other wing and divide it in half. Just like that. All right. A small bend tie becomes the cockpit. And 2 sections which are like the wheels. Those go at the bottom. Cockpit, wing, body. All right. Now, I'm just going to do a quick tail. I could do full tri-wing at the back of the tail too. But I'm just doing a quick tail, like a single wheel dragger. All right, and I'll get rid of the extra. Okay, so now I'm going to pop these 2 wings apart. I pop the middle balloon. All right, just like that. And what happens is the wings stay together, just like that. So it kind of looks like a little puppy dog plane. And again, I made this for years. There's the pilot. There's the propeller. Here's the passengers. Okay. But now for the last 10 or 20 years, probably the last 20 years, I took that same fishing pole, only I'll tell you what, normally I make a much shorter version for the plane. So I'm just going to do this. Whoops. Let's do it this way. Only about this long. But I will tie the extra piece on it. This is again where the 3rd balloon comes into play. All right, so it's similar to the fishing pole, but much shorter. All right, what I do is I tie this knot to this knot. The knot where the end of the balloon is, where the propeller goes. All right, and the reason I do that is because this is actually balanced enough that it will fly like an airplane. Meow, 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 meow. So is that worth the 3rd balloon? I think so.